Video 24, we want to continue solving for x. Given this triangle, and I tell you that the length of this side is 2x minus 3, the length of this side is 2x minus 3, and the length of this side is x plus 4. I'm going to tell you that the perimeter of this triangle is going to be 45. Find the value of x. How do I do this? Well, we know that the perimeter means to add all the sides, so I need to add all of this together. And set it equal to the perimeter, because each side added together will give you the perimeter. Now, combine your like terms, 2x plus 2x plus, remember that's a 1x, that is 5x. And then I have negative 3, positive 4. So that is 3 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 3 more negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus signs, 1, 2, 3, 4, cancel, 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 cancel. I have 2 negatives left, so minus 2, or plus a negative 2 if that's what you're going to write. Now bring down my perimeter, and I just have a regular equation to solve. So plus 2 on both sides, that gives me 47, and I know this is multiplication, so I divide it, and x, this cancels, so I'm left with x. X is 47 over 5. You can make it a decimal if you want. Just to review how to do that, let's go to the calculator. I know some of you can do it by hand, and I'm proud of you. Good job for those that need another resource. 47 divided by 5, and then I put a decimal on it. Let's see if I can bring it up so you can see. Yeah, I think I can see it now. It has a decimal at the end. The light's kind of bright. I apologize. You press enter, it gives me 9.4. So x is 9.4. Now, you can also do this problem using the calculator, and the code is menu 31. So I'm going to go and press menu, and let's see if I can darken the screen so that you can see the calculator a little better. Okay. And I'm going to go to 3, or I said 3-1. Yeah, that's right. 3 for algebra, and then 1 for numeric solve. So that's correct. Menu 3-1. When you get in solve, all you have to do is type in everything you wrote here. So 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 plus x plus 4. Put the equal sign, put the 45. Now here's the tricky part. You have to put comma and the letter you used. And then you press enter, and look, 9.4. So the calculator will solve it for you as well. Now, I want to know which is the longest side. So how do I figure out which one is the longest side? Well, we can plug in our 9.4 into the x spot. So as you can see, I took x plus 4 and put x in. And I took 2x minus 3 and put x in. So when we do that, 2 times 9.4 minus 3, and then 9.4 plus 4. So I get 13.4 for this one, and then 15.8. So which one is the longest side? It would be these two. They would be the longest side. Okay, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to give you another polygon. This is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, a pentagon. And we're going to do x plus 4, x minus 3, 2x plus 1, 3x minus 5, 7x plus 2. And I'm going to tell you that the perimeter is 50. So how do we set this up? x plus 4 plus x minus 3 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 5 plus 7x plus 2 equals 50. And we can do all that by hand, or we can come here and do menu 3, 1, and we type in everything we have there. So x plus 4 plus x minus 3 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 5 plus 7x plus 2. Put the equal sign, put 50, and then put comma and the letter used. So in class, if you're not using X and you're using W or K or A or B, make sure you put comma and that letter. It's not always X. I'm going to fix the focus. Okay, and then enter. So this is my answer. And I can round that to about 3.6 if I round to the nearest 10. So x is 3.6. So now I want to know which one is the shortest side. So we're going to plug in 3.6 in each one. 3.6 plus 4 is 7.4. So this one is 7.4 because I plugged in 3. It's supposed to be 3.6. Sorry. 3.6 plus 4, 7.6. Sorry. Okay. Let's do it here. 3.6 minus 3 is 0.6. I'm looking for the shortest side. So 2 times 3.6, close parentheses, plus 1, 8.2. Okay? And 3 parentheses, 3.6 minus 5, 5.8. And now we do 7 times 3.6 plus 2 is 27.2. So which is the shortest side? Will be that side there. Okay, and I think the last thing I want to show you, if 5a equals 7a plus 10 minus 3a, find the value of a. When you're done, evaluate 2a plus 1. Okay, so now, how do you do this one? We're going to go menu 3, 1, and type 5a equals 7a plus 10 minus 3a, comma a. Press enter, so a is 10. So now how do you evaluate this problem? Plug in 10. So 2 times 10 plus 1 equals 21. So if you were given answer choices, A, B, C, D, and 10 is answer A, 21 is answer B, 15, negative 2, what would the answer be for this question? Well, A equals 10. So if the question says, what is the value of A, pick the answer, you would pick here, 10. But if the question says, evaluate this to A plus 1, you're going to plug the answer you got into that and get the final answer of 21. So this would be the correct answer. And that concludes the video for today.